Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my very comfortable slip-on braided sandals. I purchased these slides because I wanted something I could just slip on and walk out of the door. But I wanted slides that were dressy, not the ones that are just like the black plastic ones. I wanted something a little more elevated. So I went with these shoes, and I also spend a lot of time throughout the day on my feet. So it was important to me to have something that was comfortable. I find these shoes to be super comfortable. They're actually quite cushiony, so I'm on my feet all the time, but these keep my feet nice and comfortable throughout the day. I also wanted something that was stylish because I want to be able to pair this with casual clothes, but also dress it up from time to time and not always have to wear heels when I dress up. So I love these shoes. I love the fit. I also love the color. There's other colors too if you're not into this brown cognac color. And that's my point of view.